close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hi guys, welcome back to new episode of Living Life. Today we are out for a new day trip adventure. Today we are going to Sarushima Island. Sarushima means monkey in Japanese. So we are going to Monkey Island. But in order to set a proper expectation for you, in this island there is no any monkeys, not even one. I know it was disappointing for me too initially when I heard this thing, but this island is an incredible island and I will show you why. So without much further ado, let's start the tour. In order to reach this island, we had to take ferry. It will hardly take 20 minutes to reach the island by ferry, and every 1 hour there would be one ferry. So it is kind of 11:30 now. I became a little bit late. My friends had already went by 10:30 ferry, but I have to catch, since I am late, I have to catch 11:30 ferry. The round ticket fee of this ferry is 1,400 yen. So it includes also the entry fee towards this island. One thing you can do in Sarushima is that you can rent parasols, barbecue equipments, tables, coolers, etc. so that you don't want to bring anything while coming here. But make sure you have to bring food and meat for barbecue because you can't get those here. Then we played volleyball. Then I met a twins there. It recalled my childhood days. After all, one question was still chasing me. Why Sarushima Island is called as Sarushima, even though there is no monkeys here? So then I thought I will ask others. She is actually half Japanese. She born and brought up in Japan, and she is actually half French also. She is actually from France. So full French? Yeah, full French, right? Yeah, full French. So we were just wondering why exactly this Sarushima Island is called as Sarushima. Sarushima means monkey, right? But there is no monkeys,
Maybe
able to see here.
Up there. Saturday night. There's no monkey.
Okay.
No monkey here. No
There's no
monkey.
monkey?
So no idea.
Maybe it's a myth,
Oh,
like
really?
a legend.
Okay.
Like that there's some monkey up there.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
In that, I mean,
Yeah, no, that's
above.
mountains.
Okay. Okay. So in this forest, there would be some monkey. You are telling.
Maybe. We
Oh,
have
really?
to look at it.
Okay. Let's see, guys. Maybe we'll ask others also. Song, I have a question to you.
Yeah.
Why this island is called as Sarushima Island? Sarushima means monkey, right?
Yeah, like a saru in Japan means monkey and Shima means island. And why called Sarushima is because when you come here, you can see a lot of monkeys, everywhere, everywhere, they're all monkeys. And they're super outgoing, they're super nice. If you talk to them, they will talk back. We don't listen to her. No, we listen
So
to
you're telling
Yeah, so that's why
we are monkeys
over
that's called
here.
as
Every people come from monkeys. So this is why it called Sarushima, because many people that come here and they were monkey before, but after they arriving here, they become human being.
So that's why. So whoever comes here would be a monkey.
No, actually, I think in the mountain or like
So
in
we
the
are a monkey now.
forest, they have a monkey.
Oh. So
Yeah.
you're telling like in this forest there would be
Yeah,
some monkey.
so maybe go there, you can see more monkeys.
Okay. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So maybe we will ask others also why the reason like this island is called as Sarushima Island. Hey, bro. So I just want to ask you like why this Sarushima Island. Sarushima means monkey, right?
Saru means monkey.
Monkey. So why it is called as Sarushima?
Probably that place over there, a lot of like greenery. There's
Really?
probably monkeys over there.
Really, there will be monkeys?
Probably.
Ah, okay. So that's the reason why they are calling us Sarushima
I think
Island. Yeah, so we will ask to others also. Maybe we will ask to some Japanese guys. So why this island is called as Sarushima Island?
So, as long as our understanding, I think there was a monk, Buddhist monk, like in the old days, and he came here. He was lost, and he came here, and then he met the monkey in this island, and the monkey guided the monk to the capital.
So the monk was sailing in this beach through this sea, and
And he came here, yeah,
he saw some monkey here.
yeah, and the monkey guided him.
Ah, I see. Okay, so that's the reason why this island is called as Sarushima Island,
Yeah, Monkey Island.
Monkey Island. Yeah. Now we got the answer. Now for me and for you got a clarity why this island is called as Sarushima Island. So then next time when you come here or when you hear about this island, you will remember the story behind the name of this island. Sarushima Island was used as a military field and also as Yokosuka Navy Yard back in 16th to 18th century. Then later after this World War II, they developed it as a marine park. Now anyone can come here and can enjoy the vibe of the island.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Now we are at top of this observation deck, or maybe you can say the viewpoint of this island. From here on the left side you will get the view of Mount Fuji, and on the right side you can see the view of Yokosuka and Yokohama area. But currently since it's summer you can't get the proper view of Mount Fuji, but during winter you can see Mount Fuji clearly from here.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
Unlike any other island, this island is unique because I felt like it is unique because it has the military and navy touch into each and every construction. The entire island has that look and feel. We really enjoyed this day in this Sarushima Island. I hope you guys also like this video. If you like this video, do subscribe to this channel and be part of this channel, and let me know whatever in the comment section. I'll talk to you again on the next episode, and until then, goodbye.